It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today magluluto tayo ng isang very classic na recipe. I'm sure magugustuhan ninyo, kaya let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today, magluluto tayo ng isang very simple dish. But modernize natin yung ating tochong bangus. Meron akong bangus belly fillets. And I will just season very simply with salt and pepper. Yan, sprinkle lang natin yung salt and pepper. Yan. And on both sides. Salt. And we dredge in flour. So, ibig sabihin ng dredge, no? I-coat lang natin siya ng flour very lightly para maging crisp yung kanya exterior when we fry it, no? Pagpalit lang natin yung ating pwesto na ating pan so that we can start with the sauce immediately. Ayan. And kukuha lang ako ng oil dito sa aking frying na fish. Ayan. Garlic. I'll fry my garlic. Take our time to saute our garlic. Check on our fish. Baliktarin natin. So, once it starts to turn brown, tatabi ko na siya. Kasi even if I put it aside, it will continue to cook. Garlic aside, and my oil has already that garlic flavors. And I just add my onions, my ginger, and tomatoes. We use 2 tomatoes, which we diced up. So we have to wait for that to become tender. And I'm just adding, 1 tablespoon of sugar to the tomatoes para mag-caramelize na rin siya. Yan. My fish is frying beautifully. Babalik na rin ko ulit. Yan. Turn it over again para sure tayo na crisp yung ating fish. Yan. Our tomatoes are now tender, and I add my Tausi or salted black beans. We're using Silver Swan salted black beans. And to season, I will just add 2 tablespoons of Dato Puti oyster sauce, vinegar, Dato Puti vinegar, around 4 tablespoons of vinegar, and I will also add tofu, tokwa. I just add it there. Very nice. And my bangus is done. Set it aside. And I will just dissolve my cornstarch in water. And I will just drizzle it. So this will be our sauce. And to finish, we will just add a tablespoon of soy sauce and black pepper. Yan, and we're done. Very nice. And we just heat up our sizzling plate. And we just add a tablespoon of butter or margarine. Sobrang mabango. And we arrange our fried bangus on our plate. Wow, look at that. And we pour our sauce over. Yan. Wow. And put our fried garlic. And of course, our cilantro. And it's ready. So look at that, parang tochong bangus na level up. Ginawa nating sizzling bangus with Tausi. our version of Sizzling Bangus with Tausi. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!